Meaning of house sit.
House sit.
House sit.
House sit.
House sit. House sit refers to the act of taking care of someone's home while they are away. This typically involves staying in the home and performing various tasks such as watering plants, feeding pets, and collecting mail. House sitting can also involve basic maintenance and upkeep of the property to ensure everything stays in good condition while the owners are away. This service can provide peace of mind for homeowners who do not want to leave their property unattended for extended periods of time. In summary, house sitting is a way to ensure that a home remains safe, secure, and well maintained while the owners are away.